Okay, I got to get all these filters on the roof, and I don't like to climb if I don't have to make several trips to rope them up. So I'm going to show you an easy way to do that. I bought a tool, so let's get started. Alright, so we're going to use the filter grabber to pick up the filters and save us trips up and down the ladder. Man, that makes it so much easier. Okay, first thing I'm going to come do is let's shut off the power. Alright, next I'm going to take these screws out here and get to the filters. Alright, the next step is we're going to take these out. Can you believe what these HVAC companies want to charge to change these filters when you could do it yourself? Save yourself hundreds if you could just change these filters. Now let's put them back in. Had to go fetch these filters. I always like to put a date on there. Let's see. 1/13/20. This just lets me know how long it's been. Sometimes you can forget. It makes it easier. You know, depending on the location, you can change them every 3 months, once a month, every 6 months. Just depends on the kind of traffic and the location and the dirt and debris in your building. So what I want to do is, there's an arrow on this, and I always want the arrow pointing towards this coil here, and it's usually got, a lot of these have a metal piece in it. Normally that's going to go towards the air conditioning coil. Okay, so now all I have to do is put a few screws back and my filters are changed. Now, if you can do what I just did, you could save yourself a couple, let's say $50 a unit times, let's say you got 5 units, that's 500 bucks. I don't know about you, but that wasn't too hard, so pretty easy. I can't believe what they're trying to. So basically, for the cost of a year's worth of filters, you could do it yourself. So time, if you buy the same size belt, I'm going to show you how easy it is. You can save a lot of money by doing it yourself, along with the filters. Most of your problems usually come due to lack of maintenance. So if you're looking for a way to save money at your business, restaurant, convenience store, things like that, you know, I'd maybe invest in, you know, watching this video and learning how to do it yourself. So I'm going to show you how to change this belt. That belt's all worn out. I got the new one right here. Alright, see, so we're just going to put it on like that. Nice and tight. Didn't even have to adjust it. If I did, I would adjust it here. But a lot of times, if you have the same size belt, you don't have to. And you know, I recommend changing your belt probably one time a year. So next step here is we're going to go over, and the last thing, all you got to do is turn the power back on. How easy is that?